I'm here with Matt Granger of the Stallings and Smith Team, a Coldwell Banker residential brokerage, and we're at 311 Baybridge Drive, where next Sunday, March the 4th, we're hosting an open house from 2 to 4.
All right, so if you come out to our open house next Sunday, we're going to enter you to win a Columbia Firefly's prize package that includes tickets to opening weekend.
That's fantastic. So everybody that comes is going to have an opportunity to win the tickets and the prize package to the Columbia Fireflies.
Right, and I think it's going to be a home run.
A home run. I like what you did there.
Yeah.
And in addition, you get to see this awesome house.
Right. Yeah.
So how many, what are the 3 bedrooms?
It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with a huge bonus room upstairs.
How big is this house?
2,800 square feet.
Y'all, you got to see this house to believe it. It's fantastic. So come out and see it. It's 311 Baybridge Drive. It's in Lake Carolina. We cannot wait to see you from 2 to 4 on Sunday, March the 4th.
Right. Make sure you come out.